Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Mira from K-pop demon hunter in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one, and then you're going to make it stiff and remove the bangs and bows, and then you're going to make it this pink color. Combine it with this one. You're going to choose only bangs and make it pink, and this one you're going to remove the bangs and then make it pink. And for the necklace, you can put on this necklace, make it black, and this one make it gold and black, and this boots make it this color. Okay, and then this microphone for the accessory. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room. And from here, I'm going to go to the Valentine update, choose this top, and then we're going to make it white. Okay, we're going to remove everything. And I'm going to make it white, and then make it glitter. And I'm going to go to this menu, and put on the sleeves from the witch set. We're going to make it glitter as well, and then we're going to make it white. Okay, and I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to put on this skirt. We're going to make it white, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this area and put on this jeans. For the jeans, I'm going to make it black. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this top area, and I'm going to put on this top, and for this top, I'm going to make it black. And the next one, we're going to go to the VIP room, and I'm going to put on this pearl. Okay, and I'm going to choose only pearls. And for the color, you can make it this color for all the selection. And then I'm going to move to this area, and I'm going to put on this skirt. We're going to make it this color and then make it glitter. Okay, and it's done. This is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!